What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with a major announcement, actually, and that is that I have a new indicator. This is my 12th private indicator. It's a very simple one and basic one, and uses data right from the real world, but for a good reason, right? One of them that I have that uses data from the real world is my Bitcoin search indicator, which basically measures the searches from Google Trends, which is the biggest search engine in the world. And I think that's pretty useful to see the volume and the oscillator from the amount of times that people search the keyword Bitcoin. But this one, and I'm going to break it down here and show you guys here why this year is a very bullish year to buy Bitcoin and the cryptos that you believe will survive, because I believe this is the bottom year. And I'll prove it here. This obviously not being the main reason, this indicator, but it's something that I found that's a pattern over the last 3 times that it happened. It has been successfully. Okay, at least the last 2 for sure. So I'll show you guys here, but this indicator is called the World Cup indicator. You can see the theme is the same theme with this year being the World Cup year. And basically this indicator, it shows you the opening match and the final match here. Even if you go on the daily, it'll show you the exact day for the opening game and the final game from the past World Cups and for the future ones, right? Obviously, this is going to update if things update in the future. They change the dates and stuff, but it at least gets the future World Cup years as you can see, and it gets the past ones. And you're going to see there's a reason why I created this indicator, right? It's not for no reason. You know, what does the World Cup have in connection with Bitcoin? And I was really looking at it, and after I found the pattern, I looked on TradingView, and there was really no World Cup indicator. This is my first one. It's a private one, right? You can only get it if you're in the school community. Again, if you want to get it, check out my school. It should be in the bio and description. You'll get all my indicators, my live charts, and one-on-one with me. The first 10 people will. And we have 7 right now, so definitely join. But this indicator, it's the only one on TradingView that lets you see the World Cup years here. And one thing that you'll see is that every past World Cup, okay, including 2014, which it doesn't show you here, but if I go here to a chart that has Bitcoin right here, 2014, perfect. You see right here, 2014. So that's actually, it's showing the last 3 times. So this is 3 examples of it happening. Like, what are the odds of that? Because the World Cup happens every 4 years, kind of similar to the Bitcoin halving. And what's amazing is that every single World Cup year was a Bitcoin bear market, right? For Bitcoin, the crypto market. But we see right here, we go back to 2014, which honestly, 2014 was Bitcoin's first massive crash, where before 2014, right, we went to over $1,000. And then into 2014, Bitcoin dumped all the way to like, what was it, like from 1,000 to like 300 or something. Okay, so that was a major move to the downside, and that was the World Cup here in 2014. Then we move forward to 2018. Okay, 2018, as you guys can see right here, and you will see that 2018 was also a World Cup year, and that was when Bitcoin bottomed here. Okay, around here, around 3,000 and something. And then 2022, the last bear market, you can see that Bitcoin, this one was kind of unique because Bitcoin actually bottomed exactly during the World Cup, right in the middle of the World Cup. So the past World Cups, we bottomed after the tournament was done, but it was still that year. And that's really the message of this video, and the reason why I created this indicator is because the World Cup years have been historically an amazing time to buy Bitcoin and cryptos that you believe will survive. Now 2022, I believe the reason why is because that year was the first time that the World Cup was during November to December because of the heat in Qatar, right? They had to change it to November, December, because that's when it's not crazy heat, hot over there during that time. And that was when Bitcoin exactly bottomed here, during the bottom. The exact bottom in 2022. And then this World Cup, look at us right here, right? I think no one can argue and say, oh yeah, we're not in the bear market. Bitcoin has been coming down from last year's last year's all-time high, 126K. We're at the previous all-time highs of 2021. It's a World Cup year. It's still not done, right? 2026 is still not done. So we can still crash down more. But you can see that Bitcoin, again, for the 4th time in the World Cup year, we are in a bear market and coming down to find a bottom. So This is the indicator. Again, you can get it on school. In my school, it should be in the description and the link below. And I want to show this too, because a lot of people share this chart right here where it shows 2014, right? We recovered slowly, and then 2017, all-time highs. 2018, bear market, we recovered slowly. 2021, all-time highs. And then this is pretty, pretty accurately, right? And what I messaged here was like, notice how every red year, which is right here, was during the World Cup year. 2014, 2018, 2022, and 2026. You see that? And I'm telling you, my indicator is the only one that's on TradingView. Honestly, it's private indicator, so it's not public, but it's the only one that shows this. And if you actually align it, I have the Bitcoin halvings indicator, which is a free one. It shows the Bitcoin halvings, right? You can see how after the halving, right, Bitcoin starts to take off, and then World Cup year, bear market. Bitcoin starts to take off, World Cup year, bear market. Bitcoin starts to take off here again, right? And then World Cup year, bear market. So this is really interesting. It really is interesting here. And again, this makes me happy because I know this year has been, the year to accumulate, the year to buy Bitcoin, and when it will bottom. And it is bottoming, right? We don't know the exact bottom. You can go a lot more, maybe even into the 40s or the 50s. But I'm happy that it's World Cup year, and like the past 3 World Cup years, we bottomed in each World Cup year. Okay, each World Cup year we bottomed, and it was a bear market and an amazing time to buy. So I believe this year is no way different. Okay, so again, it's my 12th indicator. And by the way, when you guys join the school community, you guys will be getting all my future indicators. Like the people that are in my school community that had my 11 indicators, this is my 12th, so they're going to be getting this one as well, right? Free of charge, right? You just pay the monthly amount. And the first 10 people, which there's 7 right now, the first 10 people are going to get always get the one-on-one meeting with me. So definitely be part of at least the first 10, and you should get the one-on-one meeting and all the future indicators, and plus my mini course, which is coming out soon. It's the 8 signals to buy the bottom. It's coming out July, this month. So it's basically a mini course where I speak on my 8 signals and show you these 8 signals in a very direct, efficient way, not a super long course. It's a mini course. And I really show you these 8 signals that has helped me buy the bottom, and I believe will be useful for buying this bottom right now in this year. Okay, so that's coming out this July. And again, in the school community, every mini course I launch, you'll always get the future ones. You'll always get the past ones as well. If you go here in the classroom, you'll see all the past mini courses and the future mini courses as well. Okay, so definitely check it out. It will be in the description below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.